What's good, my tech friends? This is the One Only Tech Plus. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone XR. I mean, the iPhone X came out, the XS came out, and then the XS Max came out. Max, I don't know why I said Max, but Max came out, and I thought, you know what? People would want to see this kind of video, but I thought, you know what? I want to leave it till the XR to come out so I can unbox that, because that's the phone I'm really excited for. I'm not a huge Apple fan, I'm a Samsung fan, Android fan, but this phone is literally like, I don't know, but I had to get it and unbox it for you guys. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. So here we have the iPhone. Let's actually crack this open. Beautiful. What a box. The thing I like about iPhone is just the box they put the phone in, the device, and it's absolutely beautiful. But you've got the engraving of the actual device on the box, on the top of the box, which is so damn beautiful. But yeah, look at that. The build quality of these boxes are amazing. You can literally keep these boxes for life. It's amazing. This isn't me trying to hype up Apple, because I really do not like Apple, but this is a product that I can't. I literally, when I saw it announced, I could not wait. Yeah, designed by Apple in California, as you can see there, and in here we have this. Wow! The presentation is just absolutely jaw-dropping. Got hello. Have the quick startup guide. Then here you have the SIM injector. Again, absolutely beautiful layout. Just looks so awesome. And then it gives you a little picture of how to actually use the SIM injector for the SIM tray. And then here we just have a few rubbish we don't need, and then they include a nice Apple sticker there for you. Obviously you have the device. Like, just look at the presentation on that. That is just the absolute bollocks. Look at that. That looks so beautiful. And now let's put that on the side. I don't want to look at the back yet, because the blue. I think I might even decide to swap to this phone and forget about Android, because it just looks so good. It's unreal. And I hate Apple so much. Okay, just like the normal boxes you always get with the iPhones, you have the earphones. They look like the wireless ones, but they're actually not. The wires are wrapped around the actual cord that is in. And then we have the lightning port, the iPhone lightning port to charge the phone up and stuff like that. And then down here we have the charging brick, which is standard, boring, no Apple logo, no nothing. But yeah, anyway, this isn't what I want to see. I want to see this phone. So this is my first impression about this phone. This phone is so flipping incredible. I look at it and look at, oh, no way. I was not expecting that blue. See this blue here? I thought that it was going to be this blue, but I was not expecting it to be that blue. That is a baby blue right there. That is, babe, what do you think?
That's nice.
That's better than the red one.
No, I like
No. This is way better than the red one. Look at the camera. It's literally, the engraving of the camera is mad. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Trying to get this to focus. Come on, focus. Look at that. Wow. That is just amazing. The fact that looking at the phone from the front, you can see a bit of this blue texture coming from all around the phone. It just looks absolutely incredible. Same with the red, yellow, and the white one, and the black one. But the back of this phone is just beyond me. The fact that they've made it this blue is so extremely so bright. It's just amazing. And so we have the Apple writing down there. We have the Apple logo, we have the camera, which it looks absolutely amazing, and then obviously we have the flash down there as well, which is cool. There on the side here we have the power button, which is very large, so it's so easy just to put your hand there, and then you're using the phone. It's bam. It's so easy to flip to get there. Anyway, I've just turned on the phone by accident, but the length of it is just so long that it's just bam. you can reach it so quickly. It's unreal. Then you have this SIM injector, which is down there, so you can put your SIM card in and out. On the other side, we just have the ringer again as well to silent the phone or put it on loud. And then we have the volume button up and the volume button down. And then the bottom here we have of course the USB. Is it the lightning port? Yeah, lightning port charger thing, so you can charge the phone. And then we have the speaker grills, one there and one on the other side. And up top we have nothing. But yeah, the phone is just so amazing. Like, okay, let's just take off all this plastic covering off. Oh my god, this is the device. Whoa, that looks so good. That is amazing. So, boys and girls, we are in the phone. It took a while to set it up because iPhone is so flipping crap, and I really don't like iPhones. But I mean, it's good, very responsive. It's alright. It's alright. I mean, it looks good. Apparently it's not OLED, but I don't know what screen this is on, but everything looks alright. I can swipe up. Oh my days, I've never used an iPhone before. Just to tell you guys that. No SIM, got your notifications. Oh babe, how do you go to know how when you double tap, yeah? To get to the what apps you've been using? How do you do that?
You haven't got any open, so you can't do it.
Okay, so I've got this app open.
I don't know how you do it on that phone though, because I've got a button.
Oh shit. Oh, I got it. So you swipe from here. Oh no, you swipe from the bottom, from the corner.
Oh, okay.
So there, that is the unboxing on the iPhone XR. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Click up there to see my other video that I made. Whatever video that is, I don't know, but my old video. Have a look at that, and yeah, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Also, subscribe as well for some more videos. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.